Format a chart with a quick style. Get ready. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. 1. Click on the 2010 pie chart tab. If the design tab is not visible and the buttons are active, click the white space inside the chart boundary and click on the design tab. But we already have the design tab. One of the chart styles is already selected. Click each of the styles until you come to the style shown in figure 1215 with the labels and percentages shown next to each pie slice. If necessary, click the down arrow to select more styles. The chart colors are determined by the theme of your worksheet. Click the Change Colors button and move the mouse pointer over each of the different rows to select the different information stuff. Here's your different styles. And to change your colors, this is your color section. Click color 3 to make the change. So now we're going to go to colors. I guess this will be 3, so we'll go with that. Or we'll go with this. So that will be color 3, I guess. Now you want to save your workbook. You want to, and that's it.